Are you curious about which private jets excel in performance and features, yet also retain their value significantly after purchase? In the luxury aviation market, a private jet is more than just a means of travel. It's a significant financial asset. Certain aircraft are built with remarkable longevity, which leads to sustained market demand and high resale values. For private aviation enthusiasts, investors, or potential buyers, understanding which jets offer the best value can make all the difference. Stay tuned because we're counting down the top 3 private jets with the best resale value. And you won't want to miss number 1. This is Aviation Federation, sharing with you exciting information about the latest and greatest in aviation and beyond. Coming in hot at 3rd place is the Dassault Falcon 8X, a long-range tri-engine jet recognized for retaining strong market demand. Powered by 3 Pratt & Whitney Canada PW37D engines, producing 6,722 pounds of thrust, or 3,049 kilograms force each, it achieves a ceiling of 51,000 feet, or 15,545 meters, and covers up to 6,450 nautical miles, or 11,945 kilometers. Despite its extended range, it requires just 5,880 feet, or 1,792 meters of runway for takeoff, and 2,220 feet, or 677 meters for landing, giving it wide operational flexibility. With room for up to 16 passengers, the Falcon 8X is designed for endurance and adaptability. Pilots and private aircraft enthusiasts consistently value this jet because of its stable performance profile and market appeal. Cruising at 107 knots or 198 kilometers per hour, it consumes about 347 gallons or 1,314 liters of fuel per hour, offering strong range and operating economics. Its ability to hold value over time makes it one of the standout performers in the private jet resale market, with brand new models listed at $63 million and pre-owned examples ranging between $14 million to $54 million. Taking the 2nd spot in the next on our list is the Bombardier Challenger 3500. A mid-sized jet that has built a reputation for holding its worth as firmly as it delivers performance in the skies. Equipped with 2 Honeywell HDF 7350 turbofans, producing 7,323 pounds of thrust, or 3,321 kilograms force each, this jet cruises at 553 knots, or 1,024 kilometers per hour, and climbs to a ceiling of 45,000 feet, or 13,716 meters. Its 3,400 nautical mile, or 6,297 kilometer range, combined with the ability to operate from runways as short as 4,835 feet, or 1,474 meters for takeoff, and 2,364 feet, or 721 meters for landing, allows it to cover demanding routes with ease. Built to carry up to 10 passengers, the Challenger 3500 fits securely within the mid-size segment while delivering performance closer to larger aircraft. Strong resale value and dependable economics have made this jet a standout among buyers. Burning about 266 gallons, or 1,007 liters of fuel per hour, it strikes a favorable operating profile that resonates with private owners and fleet operators alike. Its ability to hold market value is a key reason for its popularity, with brand new models priced at $26.7 million and pre-owned aircraft averaging around $19 million. We're just about to reveal the number 1 pick in our countdown. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more high-altitude content, and share this video with fellow aviation fans or future jet owners. Got a favorite aircraft or a hot take on these rankings? Drop it in the comments because the top picks from the discussions might get featured. Also, be sure to visit the Posts tab on our channel to vote in our weekly polls. Your choice could influence what we cover next. Finally, taking the top spot on this list is none other than the Embraer Phenom 100EX, a private jet widely recognized for its strong resale value. Driven by twin Pratt & Whitney Canada PW617 F1E engines, it reaches a maximum cruise speed of 406 knots with a range of 1,178 nautical miles, a ceiling of 41,000 feet, and fuel burn averaging 113 gallons per hour, make it a dependable performer for business or personal travel. Its ability to take off in 3,190 feet and land in 2,430 feet allows access for smaller airports, which adds real flexibility to its operations. The 100EX continues to stand out because it holds value better than many aircraft in its class. Pre-owned examples are sought after, with demand from both first-time owners and seasoned flyers who appreciate its mix of capability and manageable operating costs. Many also point out that it maintains a strong presence in the very light jet segment, often setting the benchmark for resale strength. Seating for up to 7 passengers makes it practical for short to mid-range trips. And Embraer's track record in this category reinforces buyer confidence. New models are priced around $5 million, while pre-owned market typically range from $1.95 to $2.5 million. In private aviation, selecting an aircraft with a high resale value is as crucial as its in-flight performance. From the proven Phenom 100EX to the reliable Bombardier Challenger 3500 and the long-range Dassault Falcon AX, these jets show that smart ownership can also be a lasting investment for years to come. Given a choice, which of these 3 would you prefer to own? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and be sure to follow us for more content on the best in aviation. Thanks for watching, and as always, fly safe!